In Los Angeles, the concept of the Audi e-tron GT electric car was introduced, which became the second representative of the Audi electric family after the Audi e-tron electric crossover. The production version of the electric sedan, which aims to compete with the Tesla Model S, will go on sale in the next 2 years. The manufacturer calls the Audi e-tron GT a four-door coupe with the proportions of the classic Gran Turismo, but this definition should not be misleading. In terms of dimensions of the cabin, it is more like a full-fledged sedan liftback with a roof rounded to the rear for a more sporty silhouette. The length of the car is 4.96 meters, the wheelbase is 2.90 meters, the width is 1.96 meters, the height is 1.38 meters. The case is made using various light materials, including aluminum and carbon fiber, reinforced with heavy-duty steel. Audi experts worked on its development in close collaboration with Porsche engineers, developing a joint project Premium Platform Electric. The electric e-tron GT is equipped with 2 electric motors located on the front and rear axles, which provide 4-wheel drive. An electronic control system provides separate traction control for each of the 4 wheels for better handling. The total power of a pair of electric motors is 590 HP. 434 kilowatts, which allows you to accelerate to 100 km per hour in 3.5 seconds and gain 200 km per hour in 12 seconds. Maximum speed is electronically limited at around 240 km per hour. A battery with a capacity of 90 kWh is installed in the floor between the front and rear axle, which ensures the lowest possible center of gravity. The power reserve of the Audi e-tron GT from a full charge is 400 km, 248.5 miles, in the WLTP measurement cycle. At the same time, a proprietary recovery system is able to increase this figure by another 30% if the driver adheres to an economical driving style. Electric motors and electro-hydraulic brakes are also responsible for the recovery, which allows you to return part of the energy to the battery during any braking, slowing down, moving downhill, etc. The battery is capable of working with high-speed charging with a voltage of 800 V, gaining 80% of the charge in 20 minutes of charging. This is enough to travel another 320 kilometers, 200 miles. The electric car also supports Audi wireless charging, as well as regular household charging from 11 kilowatts power outlets. The central panel is made in the style typical of Audi sports cars. The cockpit is focused on the driver. Control is carried out using touch screens with tactile feedback and physical switches. The entire interior is decorated with vegan materials, that is, exclusively synthetic and recycled types are used, including fabrics, leather substitute, etc. The volume of the rear trunk is 450 liters, the front, another 100 liters. Production of the production version of the Audi e-tron GT electric car will begin at the end of 2020, sales will start at the beginning of 2021, prices have not been announced, but they will almost certainly be higher than the first model of the Audi e-tron line with a price tag of $75,000 and above. In total, by 2025, Audi is going to introduce 12 all-electric models in all segments, from the compact to the full-size, and also bring their share in their sales to 1/3. In addition to the sedan and crossover, the Avant and Sportback body styles familiar to fans of the brand are expected.